What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back in the garage. Next day here, we got all our bikes right here. We done dropped off our paint set for our Road Glide back there, man. I can't wait to see what that thing is coming out looking like. I still got a feeling I want to change the color, but right now we're going to hang on to what we got in the mix. Meanwhile, we did get our colored sliders for our Road King. So you guys see it's like all chrome right here. It's got to have that colored slider right there, and that's just gonna bring it all together. So I can't wait to get it put on and get this thing complete, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We about to pour that thing out, pop that thing on there. We gotta take a lot off. We gotta take the forks and everything off just to get that simple slider on there. But once it's done, man. So we're gonna get that situated in the meantime, man. If you guys haven't entered to win my 2020 Road Glide Special or my 2014 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We have less than 100 hats left, man. So now's the time to get in. If you want a Harley for about $100, man, you got a choice to win either one. You buy one hat, you have the option to win either one. You buy two hats, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. Meanwhile, it's time to go up. Got our wheel and our brake off along with our front fender. Now we can unloosen these forks. It's 1, 2, and then it's a bolt up here. I don't know if you're able to get it or not without this nozzle coming out, but if you look, it's a bolt right there. It's a bolt right there. Unloosen those three, the fork will slide right out. Hit these two screws right here, and then this slider will come out. So hopefully we don't have to take off the whole nozzle and everything, but we'll try it out real quick. Alrighty, guys, so I got the fork out. Now you guys see me like hammering it out, like that was my mistake. Usually never have these in when I take out the fork, so it was still screwed in too much and it was like just holding the fork up. But no big deal there. Got the fork out. Now we do have our cups over here, and I will show you guys. I'm gonna unwrap them and show you real quick. And here we have it. Our sliders are here. Painted up, looking good, man. So it's time to throw these on the bike, make that thing look that much better. Alrighty, guys, so we just finished up our 2014 Road King in full, man. We threw the colored sliders on there, man, and that thing literally does justice. You guys just see the before. Now the after does look a whole lot more complete. Literally everything on this bike is good to go, ready, man. So if you guys haven't entered for this thing, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and you could be the winner of this 2014 Road King. We also are giving away our 2020 Road Glide over there, man. One hat, you have the option to win either one. You buy two hats, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over there right now and go get your entry. Meanwhile, this thing is looking fun in the sun, and I think I'm about to slide on this thing, man. Next morning here, we about to pretty much just finish off this Road Glide. Now everything on here is A1 in working condition. However, we haven't hooked up our turn signal yet, man. So we're gonna take that off today, go get that turn signal situated, because it's literally just a plug on the end that we need to hook up. So we'll get that done and get this thing 100% complete today. Can't wait. Meanwhile, we had to pull up to BBV to get our turn signal, this little piece switched out on here. So we're about to hop back in the joint and get up out of here, dog. Get back to the house and complete this bike. It is kind of raining today a little bit. Can I open the door? Yes, I can open the door. It's like mud. I ain't trying to get my carpet muddy, man. But it's time to slide. I can't wait. Ah! Alrighty, guys, just made it to the house, man. Y'all know it's like getting to the end when it's damn near about to freaking rain out there, man. But we got our turn signal and everything intact, so let's give this a test, make sure it's working, and then bolt this thing back up, man. Just like that, guys, we got everything on there. We got our crash bar on there. Everything is complete. Turn signals, lights, everything is good to go, man. Both bikes are literally 100% complete, man. So I can't wait. These things are up for grabs. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special here or my 2014 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. These things are so lovely, man. We have first place and second place, man. Needless to say, second place is like probably faster than first place if you ask me. But man, without a doubt, man, either one can be yours, man. You buy one hat, you have the option to win either one. You buy two hats, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So the choice is yours. Head over there to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a hat and go get entered on this thing, man, because you could be the one riding away with a Harley for freaking $100 or so, man. So let me know what y'all want to do, what y'all think about it in the comments below. Pretty cool day. Got both bikes going. Let me know what y'all think, man, in the comments below. So, alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today. What was your favorite part of the video, man? Did you guys like the teal sliders on there or the chrome ones better? Also, we did get our Road Glide 100% complete as well, man. So both bikes are ready to go. I can't wait to get these things out of here. But meanwhile, we got both bikes complete, man. 100% complete both ways going. I can't wait to see where these things is going, man. So if you guys haven't entered for the giveaway already, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We got less than 100 tickets left, guys. So if you guys want a Harley at $100, man, head over there right now and go grab you a hat. Meanwhile, with both of these bikes complete, our Black Widow bike is just about ready to get our parts picked up, man. So I can't wait. Let's get this thing in order, though, man. If you guys haven't, though, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.